You know, this drink's name is rather provocative. How would you like to slip between the sheets? Welcome back, and today I'm going to create the Between the Sheets. Now, this drink has a very provocative sounding name, and I'm not going to dismiss that. But this drink is rumored to be called that because of a hint of citrus, most notably lemon juice. But if you look at it, it's essentially a variant on a Sidecar. Okay, there's some differences. Most notably that instead of utilizing just straight cognac, it's a split base of cognac and light rum. So this could be interesting in that regard. Now, conventional wisdom says that this comes from Harry MacElhone of Harry's New York bar in Paris. Exactly if that's correct or not, who knows? But ratios have changed over the years, and Alan Katz has done a variation on this, and instead of utilizing what may have been the old style, the current style is instead in equal parts of Orange Liqueur, which would be triple sec or Cointreau, Curacao, what have you, the light rum, and the cognac with a 1/4 ounce of lemon to add that potent kick, hence why some people may want to call it Between the Sheets. And that's what we're going to be doing today. So, let's make it. This is a shaken cocktail, which of course means grab a shaker. It's amazing how that works, huh? And I need a 1/4 ounce of lemon juice, just to add a citrusy kick. I need an orange liqueur. The default for this would be triple sec. Unfortunately, I do not have that, so I'm going to substitute with Cointreau, and I need an ounce of Cointreau. And I need an ounce of light rum. That's a misnomer to an extent. A lightly aged or unaged rum is what you're looking for. I'm using Florida Cognac. And I need an ounce of rum. I need an ounce of cognac. I am using PF Brand 1840. Alright, ice in, cocktail in. We're set. 3, 2, go. This be served in a Nick and Nora Hawthorne. Down, straight. And this is a Between the Sheets. Cheers. Ooh. That's nice. That's very nice. That's bright. That is bright. It's a little dry for me. A little dry on an overall standpoint. But it's not bad. The lemon juice, just the citrus of it, the acidity that comes in, really brightens this cocktail. Adding the orange liqueur, maybe for my palate I should have gone with orange curacao, but this is very nice. The Cointreau, the rum, you get the rum hits you hard, but then it washes out with the cognac. Like, the rum hits first, the cognac follows immediately after. Like, rum, cognac, bullseye. And it just floats on the way out, and the uplift from everything that the lemon gives you. Oh, this is a good cocktail. This is very good. Wow. No, as I said, it's a little dry. It's a little dry. But this is a good cocktail. This is a good drink. One that I probably will finish. But like No, this is it's bright, refreshing. It will be good for first drink of the night. Cool. Last drink of the night. Okay. Or like a nightcap, something like that. Okay. This is like it's bright. You get the citrus. You get the slight orange. The rum hits, and then the cognac finishes off. This is a good cocktail. It's right there for me. I like this. Give it a shot. If you like the video, then please hit the like button, comment, subscribe, and share the video, please. If you want to use any of the barware that I use on my show, check down below. There is a link to kit.co, which has everything I utilize in my bar under the sun, aside from the alcohol, of course. They're all Amazon affiliate links, which means that, well, if you click the link, make a purchase of the item, I receive a bit of the kickback. It helps out the channel. Thank you in advance if you choose to do so. Find all my socials in the description below as well. And I am back to streaming. I will be streaming Saturday nights at 8 p.m. on the streaming pages you see here, as well as down in the description below, where, maybe talk about the cocktails, talk about other cocktails, talk about what's going on in the world, have fun, and just, have a nice chill time. Maybe play a game or two. Until next time, thank you for watching. I will be back real soon with another cocktail. This has been The Beginner's Bar.